Hey, so I'm going to go through this quiz with you, so finding a total amount. So I got a calculator up here. Hopefully you can see that. Most of these problems can just be done with a calculator. So you buy a pair of boots originally has a price of $95. You're on sale 35% off. What number can you multiply by 35 to find the discount? So if something, you're normally paying 100% of something, and you're figuring out that it is 35% off, which really means you end up paying 65% of the total cost. And remember that as a percent, we would divide by 100 and figure out that we would multiply that by 0.65. Let's do it just so we can see. So $95 times 0.65 gives us the cost of $61.75, just like it says in the problem. All right, next one. A company is having a semi-annual sale. All items are 40% off. If the original price of a basket is $120, what is the sale price? All right, so same thing. So normally we would pay 100% of something, but we're not doing that. It is 40% off. So now that's kind of like we were paying 60% of something. So divide that by 100. We would put in 0.6 in the calculator. So $100, not $120. $100 times 0.6 tells us that we are paying, it was $120, that's why. I knew it was something with 120. Sorry about that. So 120 times 6 is 72. So that's why it says we are paying $72 there. The other way to do it that you're probably taught is to do 120 times the 40% off is 48, and then you would have to subtract 120 minus 48, and you still get 72, but they're trying to teach you to multiply by what you're paying, not what you're not paying. Paige works at a department store and has a commission rate of 3%. Her sales for the quarter were $4,596. She earns $50 per day and works 30 days per quarter. What is the total amount she earned? Okay, so she works at a department store and gets 3% commission for her day. So if she works $50 a day, or works 30 days for $50 a day, that means she's at least making $1,500. Plus, she gets 3% of what she sells. So she's not a very good salesperson. She's not going to make much money. But if she is a good salesperson, she's going to make some money. So if I figure out 3% of that is $137.88. So no matter what, she makes $1,500 just for working there. But then she gets kind of that 137 is the bonus for being a good salesperson. So that gives us $1,637.88. Bryce orders the following items from a catalog. What is the total price he charges to his credit card if the sales tax is 6% and the shipping cost is $5 for the order? Round to the nearest cent. Alright, so we gotta see, he bought the shorts, that's 14 bucks. Soccer balls 25, shin guards are 10, and cleats are 60. So he pays 109 for all of his stuff. Plus it said it was $5 for shipping. So that's at 114. And it says non-taxable is, so we gotta take the 109. So back to the 109. And it says sales tax is 6%. So it's $6.54 in tax. So the 109 plus the $6.54 in tax puts us at $115.54, like you said. But remember, there's $5 for shipping, so $120.54 would be the right answer. A pair of shoes were $120 and discounted 20%. A customer had a coupon for an additional $5 off. What was the final price of the shoes? So $120, and they were discounted 20%, which really means they paid 80%. So I'm going to do it that way. So 100 minus 20 is 80. So $96. And then they ended up having a $5 off coupon. So final price then would have been $91. Hope that helps.